Hey guys, Morgan here, the Carolina Disney Girl, and it is unboxing time. So I have a couple of boxes, so I'm going to do separate videos, so keep an eye out for two videos. I've got two boxes. So let's dive right into it. First things first, Fab Fit Fun. And it's a little smaller than what I normally get. So let's take a look. Alright, so this is the Winter 2021. And of course we have the magazine. First thing that we have is hot chocolate bombs. I have heard a lot about these. I know a lot of people make these. So I don't know if I have enough skill to try to make these myself. But it's definitely worth trying. Probably can't see it through the plastic, but there's even like a little swirl on what will be the tops of two of them. So they will look really decorative if I can ever figure out how to do them. So that's really cool. Ooh, Mark and Graham stainless steel electric wine opener. This I think is perfect for the winter time. A lot of people are having parties and get-togethers with family, and of course wine will be going. I think I'm probably one of the odd adults in the world that I don't drink wine. I do drink, it's just not wine, it's not my thing. But as I've said before, I share this with my mom, so she will be pretty excited about this. Oh, it does come with the batteries. And, I mean, that's a pretty awesome wine opener. I mean, and it's stainless steel and it is heavy. Like, I wish you guys could feel like it does not feel like a little cheapo thing. So that will be cool. So my mom, of course, will probably test this out. I don't know if this is just a sample or if this is part of the box, but this is the Liquid IV. I call them like the electrolyte packets. I've gotten these like before, and these are actually really good. I keep getting them for free somehow, so I have yet to buy them, but I do definitely use these when I work out, so that's really cool to get. Alright, Brigio, which I've gotten samples of their brand before, but this is Farewell Frizz. It is a blow dry protectant, heat protecting cream, which I think is really good for the winter because I normally air dry my hair, but obviously in the winter I don't want to go out with wet hair, so I do blow dry my hair more in the winter time when it's colder. So that is that. And ooh, it smells really good. So hopefully my hair would smell like that too. Espa, thinking Espa. Natural Beauty Intercom. Exfoliating body polish, revitalizing body exfoliator to smooth and refresh. So that's cool. So get the dead skin off when you're in the shower. I'm going to go ahead and... Ooh, it's got a peppermint smell to it. So that's very wintry. Like, love that. So that's the... I'm assuming Espa. Okay, we got a little one. Alright. Aesthetica liquid eyeliner in black. I am definitely more of a stick pencil eyeliner girl. But I have given some of these a try, and that's actually a really good tip. I already have eyeliner on, so I'm not going to try it in my luck, I would mess it up. So this is definitely a mirror in hand kind of situation. So excited about that. And ooh, we have a hat. I'm actually definitely a hat kind of girl. We got a hat and I think the fall box. So this is a Michael Kors. I call it a pom-pom or puffball hat. So this is a perfect winter hat. So can't wait to wear that. Let's see. Alright, Glamnetic. So these look like the magnetic eyelashes that everybody's getting into. Which I feel like magnetic would make more sense if they're reusable. I have yet to try magnetic, so this will be a good chance to try them. So you have to shake the felt tip eyeliner pen, and then you make a line as thick as the magnets. You want to apply 2 to 3 coats of white liner. So this liner is white. While it's still wet. Okay, for best results, apply to lash liner once liner is 80% dry. That's an interesting tip. So I might play with these, give magnetic lashes a go. And all right, looks like this is the last thing in the box. This is a Pedicure File. Always good to have on hand, especially in the winter time. So this is by Barefoot Scientist and it's double-sided. So I'll definitely give that a try. Make sure my feet stay nice and smooth. Alright guys, so that is everything in the Fab Fit Fun. We actually never got an email to make our choices, but I'm okay with these choices. Probably the only thing that I don't think we'll use is the hot chocolate bombs, just because I don't know how to make them. So, but this might be a good time to YouTube somebody else's video and see how to make some hot chocolate bombs. That would be kind of fun this year. So again, that's the Fab Fit Fun for winter. And let me know what you guys like. Did you get the Fab Fit Fun? Did you get something different? What's your favorite item? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, Hakuna Matata. See you guys next time.